Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Oil Field Worker. In this video, I am going to talk about departments and positions in onshore drilling rig. Before starting, if you still didn't subscribe our channel, be sure to subscribe. Also, like, comment and share the video. So, let's start with different departments at onshore drilling rig. There are mainly three different departments at onshore drilling rig. The first one is drilling department. The second one is maintenance department. And the third one is administrative department. We can discuss it all one by one. First, I am going to talk about drilling department at onshore drilling rig. We can check the crew members in drilling department. There are following crew members in onshore drilling department. Rig manager. Rig manager supervises rigs and he supports the crew. He monitors rig operation and solving any issue that may arise. Next is assistant rig manager. Driller. Driller is the supervisor of rig crew and he is the charge of well drilling process. Assistant driller. Mainly his job is to help the driller. He need to control the rig floor. Derrick man, floor man, labor foreman. In rigs, labor foreman who controls the roster board and assign job to them. In some rig, there will be no labor foreman. Then who control and assign job to the roster board is assistant driller. Roster board. Crane operator who provide lifting operation in the rig. Last one is forklift operator who lifts and move the load to the desired area. The second one is maintenance department. These are the following crew members in maintenance department: chief mechanic, chief electrician, assistant mechanic, assistant electrician, TDS engineer, also called top drive system engineer. They work only in some rigs. Engine attendant, welder, carpenter, plumber and painter. The last department is administrative department. The following are the members in administrative department at onshore drilling rig: safety officer, radio operator, rig medic, material supervisor. I hope you understand the different department and position at the onshore drilling rig. And thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.